I'm going to show you how to add extra weight to your dumbbells here. Sometimes in your gym, your dumbbells only go up so high. This one, it only goes up to 75, as you can see here, which may be enough, but you may want to add some extra weights. So I have some 10-pounders here. We're just going to add to the side. I used to use duct tape, but that is getting very expensive, and it leaves a sticky residue on the dumbbells. You can also use a 5-pound weight, which is going to be more flush with the side of the dumbbell, but I wanted to go up 10, so you can add 10. What I have here, this is just an Amazon Basics resistance band. I think it's heavy duty. It's graded for like 40 to 60 pounds. So what I do is I wrap it around one side, make sure it's in the middle so it doesn't fly off, and I come around to one side, and then I wrap it back around, as you can see here, just kind of carefully making sure it's in the middle, bringing it back and over the other side. As you can see, I've got some pretty good tension here. If you have a longer band, you can do it a third time, but I don't think I had that much stretch on this one. I have a little bit of stretch at the end. You can go ahead and put some foam or filler in there to create extra resistance. But this looks like a good stretch here. Make sure the bands are in the middle of the weight. And I grab one of the bands to make some extra resistance so it's not going to fall off. And let's go ahead and test it here. It looks pretty good. So I think we're good to go. You can use these for anything, just adding extra weight here. And this is a close-up of what it looks like on the ends here. So hope this helps, guys. And I'm going to do another video of how to add extra weight.